Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Flow. I'm Emma, your host.
And I'm Liam. Hey everyone. Today we're going to help you speak English naturally like a native speaker.
Yes, speaking English naturally is not about perfect grammar. It's about using simple words, thinking in English, and sounding confident.
Many learners feel nervous. They think too much. They translate from their own language. That's normal. But today we'll practice so you can sound natural and confident.
Let's start with a common situation. Imagine you meet a friend at a coffee shop.
Yes, Emma, how would you greet your friend?
I'd say, "Hey, Liam, how's it going?"
Perfect. And I might reply, Hey Emma, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
That sounds so natural. Not too formal, not too short, just friendly English.
Let's practice another situation. You see a coworker in the morning. What would you say?
I could say, "Good morning. Did you sleep well?"
And I might answer, Good morning. Yes, I slept well. And you?
See, these are small sentences, but they sound like a native speaker. Short, friendly, and confident.
Now let's explain some vocabulary from these sentences.
First, how's it going? This means how are you, but more casual. You can use it with friends, classmates, or coworkers.
Yes, repeat with me. How's it going?
How's it going?
Great. Next, good morning. You use this in the morning with anyone, formal or casual.
And did you sleep well is a polite way to ask about someone's night.
Thanks is very common. If someone asks, How are you? You can reply, I'm good, thanks.
Perfect. Repeat after us. I'm good, thanks.
I'm good, thanks.
Now let's try a short Q&A practice. Liam, I'll ask a question and you answer naturally.
Okay, Emma, I'm ready.
Hey Liam, how's it going?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. Did you have breakfast today?
Yes, I had toast and coffee. What about you?
I had cereal. It was tasty.
Good. See how short and simple sentences help you sound natural?
Exactly. Now let's do a shadowing exercise. Shadowing means repeating exactly what a native speaker would say.
Right. I'll speak and you repeat, Emma.
Okay.
Hey, Emma, how's it going?
Hey Emma, how's it going?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great, thanks.
Did you sleep well last night?
Did you sleep well last night?
Perfect. Shadowing like this improves your rhythm, pronunciation, and confidence.
Let's give one more real-life example. Imagine you are at a store. You want to ask where something is.
I might say, Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
And the cashier might say, "It's in aisle 3, next to the milk."
Very simple. You don't need complicated sentences. Short, clear, polite, and natural.
Repeat after us. Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
It's in aisle 3, next to the milk.
It's in aisle 3, next to the milk.
You see, using natural English is about short sentences, common phrases, and confidence.
Absolutely. Don't try to use fancy words all the time. Even native speakers use short, simple phrases every day.
Now let's do a little motivational practice. I want you to repeat this sentence. I can speak English naturally.
I can speak English naturally.
Again, I can speak English naturally.
I can speak English naturally.
Great. Saying this every day builds confidence. One more time, slowly. I can speak English naturally.
I can speak English naturally.
Now remember, friends, speaking English naturally is not about perfect grammar. It's about confidence, rhythm, and using simple sentences.
And practicing every day. Even 5 minutes a day helps a lot.
Yes, you can start today. Talk to friends, shadow sentences, or even talk to yourself.
You'll see, slowly, English will feel easy and natural.
Let's repeat our favorite sentences from today. Hey, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Did you sleep well last night?
Did you sleep well last night?
And one more. Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
That's it for today's practice. Remember, short sentences, confidence, and daily practice will make you sound like a native speaker.
Yes, keep speaking, keep listening, and don't worry about mistakes. Every small step counts.
Thank you for joining us today on Easy English Flow. We'll see you in the next episode. Keep practicing and speak naturally.
Bye, everyone. Speak confidently and have fun learning English.
Welcome back, friends, to Easy English Flow. I'm Emma.
And I'm Liam. Hi, everyone. In this part, we'll practice more real-life English conversations so you can speak naturally like a native speaker.
Yes, today we'll focus on daily activities, shopping, and meeting new people. These are very common situations in English.
Let's start with a simple situation. Imagine you are at a cafe. You want to order a coffee.
I would say, "Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please?"
And I might reply as the barista, "Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?"
Then I'd say, "Hot, please, and can I have a croissant too?"
See? That's natural English. Simple, polite, and short sentences.
Let's practice some vocabulary from this conversation. Can I get is a polite way to ask for something.
Yes, repeat with me. Can I get a cappuccino, please?
Can I get a cappuccino, please?
Cappuccino is a type of coffee. Croissant is a small pastry. Hot and iced describe the drink temperature.
Another common word is please. Always add please to sound polite.
Let's do a Q&A practice for this. I'll ask and you answer naturally, Emma.
Okay, Liam.
Hi, Emma. What would you like to order?
Hi, Liam. Can I get a cappuccino, please?
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Anything to eat with that?
Yes, I'd like a croissant, please. You see how short sentences make the conversation flow naturally?
Exactly. Now let's do shadowing. I'll say the line, Emma repeats exactly. Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please?
Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please?
Would you like it hot or iced?
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Hot, please.
And can I have a croissant too?
And can I have a croissant too?
Great. Shadowing like this improves your rhythm and confidence.
Let's try another real-life example. Imagine you meet a new neighbor. How do you greet them?
I would say, Hi, I'm Liam. I just moved in next door.
And I might answer, Hi, Liam. I'm Emma. Welcome to the neighborhood.
This is natural English. Short sentences, friendly tone, and polite.
Let's practice the vocabulary. Just moved in means you recently started living somewhere. Welcome is a friendly greeting for new people.
Repeat after me. I just moved in next door.
I just moved in next door.
And welcome to the neighborhood.
Welcome to the neighborhood. Now a Q&A practice. I'll ask Liam. Hi, Liam. I don't think we've met before.
Hi, Emma. I'm Liam. I just moved in next door.
Welcome to the neighborhood, Liam.
Thank you, Emma. I'm happy to meet you.
See? Using friendly and simple sentences makes you sound natural.
Yes, let's do shadowing again.
Hi, I'm Liam. I just moved in next door.
Hi, I'm Liam. I just moved in next door.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Perfect. Shadowing is like speaking with a real native speaker.
Let's move on to another situation. Imagine you are at a grocery store and need help.
I would say, "Excuse me, can you help me find the eggs?"
And the clerk might reply, Sure, they're in aisle 5 near the milk.
Repeat after me. "Excuse me, can you help me find the eggs?"
Excuse me, can you help me find the eggs?
They're in aisle 5, near the milk.
Great. Using short, clear sentences makes your English sound natural and easy to understand.
Now let's do a mini conversation practice. I'll start, Liam. "Excuse me, can you help me find the bread?"
Sure, it's in aisle 3 next to the milk.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $2.50.
Perfect. Short, friendly, and polite.
Emma, notice how we repeat key words like excuse me, thank you, and numbers. These are very common in daily English.
Yes, repetition helps your brain remember and speak naturally.
Let's do shadowing for this one too.
"Excuse me, can you help me find the bread?"
Excuse me, can you help me find the bread?
It's in aisle 3, next to the milk.
It's in aisle 3, next to the milk.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Fantastic. You can use these lines in real life today.
Now let's practice a motivational sentence. Repeat after me, Emma.
I speak English naturally every day.
I speak English naturally every day.
I speak English naturally every day.
Great. Saying this every day builds confidence and helps you think in English.
Yes, remember, friends, the key to speaking like a native is short sentences, common words, friendly tone, and daily practice.
And don't worry about mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The important thing is speaking confidently and practicing every day.
Let's repeat our favorite sentences from today.
Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please?
Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please?
I just moved in next door.
I just moved in next door.
Excuse me, can you help me find the bread?
Excuse me, can you help me find the bread?
These sentences are used every day by native speakers.
Practice them daily.
That's it for part 2. Keep speaking, shadowing, and repeating sentences every day. Your English will start sounding natural and confident very soon.
Yes, don't forget, short sentences, daily practice, and confidence are your keys to speaking like a native speaker. Welcome back, friends, to the final part of our episode on speaking English naturally like a native speaker. I'm Emma.
And I'm Liam. Hi, everyone. Today, we'll practice more advanced conversations, common expressions, and tips to make your English sound truly natural.
Yes, by the end of this part, you'll have real-life phrases and confidence to speak English easily in different situations.
Let's start with a common scenario, making small talk at work or school.
Imagine you see your colleague in the morning. I would say, "Good morning, how was your evening?"
And I could reply, "Good morning, it was nice. I went for a walk. How about yours?"
Short sentences again. You don't need complicated grammar, just friendly and natural phrases.
Let's focus on vocabulary. Evening means the time after work or school. Went for a walk is a simple activity.
And how about yours is a polite way to ask back. Native speakers use this a lot.
Let's practice shadowing. I'll say, Emma repeats. Good morning, how was your evening?
Good morning, how was your evening?
It was nice, I went for a walk. How about yours?
It was nice, I went for a walk. How about yours?
Excellent. You see, shadowing helps your speed, tone, and confidence.
Next, let's practice asking for opinions politely. You can use this at work, school, or with friends.
For example, what do you think about this idea?
And the reply could be, I think it's good, but maybe we can improve it like this.
Key vocabulary. What do you think is asking for opinion. Maybe softens your suggestion. Improve means make better.
Repeat with me. What do you think about this idea?
What do you think about this idea?
And, I think it's good, but maybe we can improve it like this.
I think it's good, but maybe we can improve it like this. Great. Now a Q&A practice. I'll ask, Liam.
Liam, what do you think about this plan for our project?
I think it's good, but maybe we can add more examples to explain it.
That's perfect. Short, natural, and polite.
Another tip, native speakers often use contractions to sound casual. For example, I'm instead of I am. Don't instead of do not.
Yes, it makes your English flow naturally.
Let's practice a conversation using contractions.
Hey, Liam, I'm glad we met today.
Me too, Emma. I'm excited to start our project.
Don't worry, Liam. We'll do great together.
Yes, Emma. Let's get started.
Now repeat after us slowly, using the contractions. I'm glad we met today.
I'm glad we met today.
I'm excited to start our project.
I'm excited to start our project.
Don't worry, we'll do great together.
Don't worry, we'll do great together.
Perfect. Using contractions is one of the secrets to sounding natural.
Let's move on to daily expressions native speakers use. For example, that sounds great.
Yes, you can use it when someone suggests something you like.
Another one is, I see what you mean. This shows you understand someone's point.
And, let me think, is used when you want time to consider an answer.
Let's practice a short conversation with these phrases.
Hey, Liam, do you want to go to the park this evening?
That sounds great. I love the park.
I see what you mean. It's relaxing and nice outside.
Let me think. Maybe we can bring some snacks too.
Perfect. All short sentences, friendly tone, and natural expressions.
Now let's do shadowing with this conversation. Repeat exactly. Hey Liam, do you want to go to the park this evening?
Hey, Liam, do you want to go to the park this evening?
That sounds great. I love the park.
I see what you mean. It's relaxing and nice outside.
Let me think. Maybe we can bring some snacks too.
Perfect. All short sentences, friendly tone, and natural expressions.
Amazing. Practice like this every day and your English will sound natural in real life.
Let's do a motivational practice. Repeat with me, Emma. I speak English naturally every day and feel confident.
I speak English naturally every day and feel confident.
I speak English naturally every day and feel confident.
Great. Say this every morning. It builds confidence and fluency.
Now, let's do a final real-life conversation. Imagine you are at a friend's house for a small party.
Emma, what would you say when you arrive?
Hi, thanks for having me. Your house looks amazing.
And I could say, Hi Emma, I'm glad you came. Make yourself comfortable.
You can ask politely, can I get something to drink?
I would reply, Of course. Would you like water, juice, or tea?
I'll have some juice, please.
Perfect. All short, polite, natural sentences.
Repeat after us. Hi, thanks for having me.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Your house looks amazing.
Your house looks amazing.
Can I get something to drink?
Can I get something to drink?
I'll have some juice, please.
I'll have some juice, please.
Now, a few final tips to speak naturally.
Use short sentences. Long sentences slow you down.
Listen to native speakers, repeat their words, and shadow their tone.
Use common expressions like, That sounds great, I see what you mean, or let me think.
Don't worry about mistakes. Even native speakers make them.
Practice every day. 5 minutes of speaking, shadowing, or listening helps a lot.
And remember, confidence is key. Speak slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Let's do a final shadowing practice with some favorite phrases from today. Repeat after us slowly.
I'm glad we met today.
I'm glad we met today.
I'm excited to start our project.
I'm excited to start our project.
Don't worry, we'll do great together.
Don't worry, we'll do great together.
Perfect. Using contractions is one of the secrets to sounding natural.
Yes, remember the secret is short sentences, common phrases, shadowing, and confidence.
Thank you for joining us in this full episode of Easy English Flow. Keep practicing, speak naturally, and enjoy learning English every day.
Bye everyone, speak confidently, repeat daily, and remember, you can speak English like a native speaker.
See you in the next episode for more fun and natural English practice.